Welcome to the third and final week of this mini MOOC on functional programming in Erlang. What we're going to do this week is look again at some of the list functions we programmed last week and see that we get some patterns of computation in there, applying a function to every element of a list, removing elements from a list, and so on. And what we'll see is that those patterns actually turn into higher order functions in Erlang, that is, functions that take other functions as arguments. And those will become the functions map and filter and so on. So we'll look first at that, and we'll then look at some other higher order functions that take a similar sort of form, and you'll do an exercise to develop some functions from scratch. And then we're going to look at a bigger case study of a game, the rock, paper, scissors game. And one of the things that will emerge from that is an application of higher order functions, but a slightly different flavour. A situation where we have functions returned as a result of other functions. We'll see how that works in practice. And then at the end of the week, and the end of the MOOC, as a capstone, what we're going to do is look at the case study of language processing. We'll look at a small language and how we textual representations of the language into structured representations, and indeed how we make those structured representations, how we can transform things in a language, how we can evaluate things, and so on. And that gives us a very nice example of functional programming in practice. And that is the prospect for this week. So let's get started. Okay.